Hi everybody, Stefan here from EDC Austria. It's getting a bit late, so the light is already a bit out. As it stands now, I'm being released on Tuesday, today's Saturday. They think for one my liver was infected, but they didn't question that because my liver condition was pretty much looking good to the rest of my condition, so they didn't check for any contaminants or anything like that. Yeah, and my other results keep getting better, but I'll have a few big checkups very soon. Today we are talking about the Today we are talking about the Wuben flashlight, which is an interesting small rechargeable flashlight. Don't worry, you'll be over these videos soon. I'll be home and can film again. This is the package of the Wuben. As you can see, it comes with a very fine USB to USB micro cable to recharge. It also comes with this carabiner band. And now the light itself, which is a twisty top, but not like you're used to, because you twist once, you get to 10 lumen, and you twist further, and then you get to the weaker lumen, so you don't have to whirl it around with one hand. It goes pretty easy. You'll see in the night footage how it works. This will be a very short review. The knurling is very nicely made. And if you continue to open it, here you see the USB connection. Now I need to do a... Okay, here we have the light with its cable attached. This is how you would load it. It comes with a 10440 battery, which is sadly only 350 milliamp hours, so I would suggest you get another one like a 700 milliamp hours or so. I tested it, it works about 50 to 55 minutes in the 150 lumen mode. As for recommendation, well, you'll see, I'll tell you in a second. Okay, now we turn it on. This is 10 lumens with the Wuben, and now we go into high mode, which is 150 lumens, which you can see for such a tiny light gives you actually, it lights up your way pretty well. You can see what's around you. So this is a keychain light, but it will suffice as an emergency light, and it can sustain these 150 lumens for an hour with a 10440 battery. Okay, you could probably tell from my excitement level, this wasn't the greatest light I ever saw, but for 22 bucks, either dollar or euro, you get a pretty decent lamp. Although for that price you get maybe the Nightcore tip, which has 360 lumens, or the Ultratech K18. The Nightcore tip would also be rechargeable, but this one is at least IPX8 and it can fall from 1.5 meters. So the recharging really saves it, and I like that you just need to twist the top in one direction. I mean, for 22 bucks, wait till it's 15 and then order it. I still did the video because I thought you should see it also. I'm making a video here every second day, only 2 days left. I still hope you enjoy these videos. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you have anything to say, please comment. And otherwise, I'll see you soon. Also, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.